Today, we're looking at Yield Yak, an easy-to-use auto-compounder on the Avalanche network. Yield Yak aims to help its users earn and keep more yield by pooling assets and socializing the costs of compounding. What's up, guys? This is the More Coin YouTube channel. Let's get into it. Over on CoinGecko, we can see that its current price is $13,589. All the tokens are already out, so we look at its fully diluted value, and it's currently sitting at over 135 million. It has increased in value by over 1,100% in just over 2 weeks. When we pop over to their website, the first thing I notice is that Yield Yak's UI is sleek and easy to use and understand, and I love that the go-to theme is dark mode. On the homepage, you can see thumbnails for most of the supported farms, and at the top of the page, you'll notice a rolling price ticker with the current value of most of the tokens that they support. I personally think that their swap feature is interesting. Yield Yak searches all the dexes that they support and compare the exchange rates. Then they list them in order with the best on top and give you the percentage difference in descending order for all the rest. Not surprisingly, the best rates consistently came from Trader Joe, Yield Yak, Lydia, and Pangolin when I experimented with this feature. The Farms tab is where you go to deposit your LP tokens. It can first be divided into 4 sections: all farms, your wallet, and recently added. Then you can further organize it by your or the farm's TVL, APY, the specific platform you wish to use, or you can do a quick search. There are a mountain of different yield opportunities here, so this function is extremely helpful. I would never choose to farm a token based on high APR or APY alone. Typically, any farm that offers high APRs also has high emissions, meaning they are flooding the market with their farm token. This usually puts sell pressure on the token and ultimately pushes the value of the token to near zero. Once you've decided on what LP you would like to supply, you can go directly to the website and provide liquidity by clicking here. Or, if you've already provided liquidity, then you can click here to deposit your LP token. Like I always say, this is not financial advice. You should always do your own research. That's how you don't get wrecked. Let's look at the pros and cons of using this platform. Gas fees on Avalanche are cheaper than Ethereum, true, but they aren't that cheap. It can still cost between 50 cents and $5 per transaction. Being able to compound your rewards without having to pay the gas fees directly is a game changer for myself and many other users. You do end up paying about 10% of your profits for the privilege though. You also have to ask yourself if you're okay with opening yourself up to the smart contract risk, considering that as far as I can tell, they are still just looking into getting an audit in the future. After saying all that though, if you haven't guessed already, I'm currently using this platform. I'm not heavy in it though, and I never put in more than I'm willing to lose. Now, a separate matter is their token. This, I'm not interested in at all. I do think that if Avalanche's TVL goes up, the Yak token might go up as well. With only about 9 or 10,000 in its actually circulating supply and no way to farm them anymore, I understand why it already 11x. What I don't see is a reason to buy in now that it has 11x. In my view, a 3x from its current price is possible, but not likely. I see that they have a single staking pool that pays out 1% APY compounded, which isn't that enticing to me. I also see that they have payments and Avax on the Yak staking page, but again, from what I was told on Telegram, that pays out 1 to 2% a year. So at that point, in my opinion, there are better plays right now that have the same potential to 3x or more and have more you can do with the token to multiply your gains. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Do you guys own any Yak? Are you using the platform? Next, you should check out my top Avax hidden gems video. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll keep talking about getting more coins.